American fried chicken is a popular dish made by coating chicken in seasoned flour and deep frying it until crispy and golden brown on the outside, while remaining tender and juicy on the inside. It is often served with sides such as mashed potatoes, coleslaw, and biscuits. Sure, here is a recipe for making American fried chicken. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, cut into pieces. 2 cups buttermilk. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon onion powder. 1 tablespoon paprika. 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Salt and black pepper to taste. Vegetable oil for frying. Instructions. In a large bowl, mix together the buttermilk, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Add the chicken pieces to the bowl, making sure they are fully coated in the marinade. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. In a separate bowl, mix together the flour, salt, and black pepper. Remove the chicken from the marinade and let the excess marinade drip off. Dredge the chicken pieces in the flour mixture, making sure they are fully coated. Heat about 1 inch of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until hot but not smoking. You can also use a deep fryer. Carefully place the chicken pieces in the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the skillet. Fry for 10 to 15 minutes per side, or until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. Use a slotted spoon or tongs to remove the chicken pieces from the skillet and place them on a wire rack to drain excess oil. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious American fried chicken. Note: the cooking time may vary depending on the size and thickness of the chicken pieces. It's important to use a meat thermometer to make sure the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, before serving. Thanks for watching.